I'm Mark Richard. I lived in a shared accommodation with up to 24 hour support. My favourite room is my bedroom. Hello, welcome to my room. You'll come in. This is my room. We are decorated by paint decorator to do it. I designed it all myself, picked the colours, the paint and the wallpaper. In this room I feel like relaxed and safe, where I can chill and stuff. I like independently because I'm trying to get more independence. Before stuff used to help me quite a lot with stuff, but I do mostly now on my own. I get to decide what I do each day. We use a planner to help us focus on what we do in our day. Up to anyone? Some of the things I like to do is home baking, super quiet on Monday, Tuesdays kickboxing, Wednesdays shiny happy people, Saturdays I play football, and Sundays church. Busy life, yeah. I like getting dressed smart, bright colours, I got bright hat under the bed, yeah. Also like all of the takeaways, especially the Indian, because I have a vindaloo curry.
Well, what's your nickname, Mark? Do you remember you told us what your nickname is?
Hot stuff. Very proud to be part of the reading partnership. We just finished the book. It's for people who go from school into college and maybe to move out to parents out into their own house, to be more independent for their future. It's really important, like a supportive person, to give their experiences to other people. And goodbye.